Hello, good day, and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2013 Mathematics Past Question 49. What is the probability that an integer x ranging from 1 is less than x and x is less than or equal to 25 chosen at random is divisible by both what 2 and 3? Now let's look at it. X is a number ranging from 1 is less than or equal to x and x is less than or equals to 25, and they say the numbers chosen are divisible by both what 2 and 3. Now let's look at the numbers that are both divisible by what 2 and 3 in between what the range given to us. Now if you look at the numbers divisible by both 2 and 3, these numbers include 6, 12, 18 and 24. Now these are the numbers that are divisible by what that are divisible by both 2 and 3, ranging from 1 is less than or equals to x and x is less than or equals to 25. Now we know that the total numbers between the total numbers that ranges from 1 is less than or equals to x, which is less than or equals to 25, is equals to 25 numbers, and the number of the numbers that are divisible by both 2 and 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 numbers. So therefore probability that a number chosen at random is divisible by both 2 and 3 is equals to 4 all over 25, and that is option A. This is supposed to be 4 over 25, so option A is the correct answer to this question. 4 over 25. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.